In this video, I will talk to you about 5 wardrobe secrets that are gonna make you more stylish instantly. And we're starting right now. Hi, my name is Michael from Men's Finest and welcome to yet another of my videos. In this video, we're talking about something super important, how easy it is to get more stylish, to be more stylish instantly. And I've drilled down all of my content, all of my secrets into 5 basic things. Here we go. Secret number 1 is put everything that you don't totally love into one big pile. Don't burn it, just put it in one pile and donate that onto a charity, poor people, somewhere, someplace where you know people are gonna be wanting this and liking this. You don't like it, you don't love it, someone else might. Do that to yourself, do that to them. Secret number 2 is what I tell very often my celebrity customers when I'm dressing them as a stylist. Accept that there is no such a thing as one day. It doesn't exist. You either like it, it fits you, or it doesn't, and you don't like it. It's never gonna be like, let's wait, maybe in 20 years time it's gonna be back in fashion. No, it won't. Toss it out, give it to charity. And number 3 is kind of important one because we as guys are notorious for keeping things for far too long. Toss it out if it's worn out. Super simple. Shoes, you look at them, think, kind of worn out. Out. Jeans, out. Recently I had a stain on my trousers and I washed them and the stain didn't come off. It's going. That sort of thing. Number 4 is ask yourself this. If this item that you're about to wear would be in store again, would you be able to buy it again? Would you? Would you actually buy the same item that you're about to wear again if it was available to buy right now? Why is that important? Because it tells us one very important thing. Is the item that you're trying to wear, that you're trying to rock, is it actually timeless or not? This is the best test you can do. And last and not least, definitely number 5 is how many times will I wear this? So you look at some piece, you like it, you think I'm gonna buy this. Okay, what can I pair that with? And how many times a year can I wear it? If you live in a hot climate, there is literally 0 point of buying made to measure winter coat jacket. Right? There you go, guys. 5 very quick style tips, wardrobe style hacks that's going to make you instantly more stylish right now. Try them. Let me know in the comments below. Stay stylish. Ciao.